Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but complete tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your menu font size in WordPress, step by step, using the site editor. Whether your navigation text looks too small or you want to make it stand out more, this guide will help you customize it perfectly. No coding, no confusion. So let's jump right in. First, open your WordPress homepage. Once you're there, head to the top right corner and click on the login button. This will take you to your WordPress login options. Next, to make things faster, select Continue with Google. This option is super convenient. Just choose the Google account that's connected to your WordPress site. Make sure it's the right account because this will give you full access to your site's editing tools. After logging in successfully, you'll be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. Here, scroll to the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This will open the WordPress site editor where you can make live design changes to your theme. Now, select the site you want to edit from the list if you manage multiple websites. Once your editor loads, hover over the header area. That's where your site menu or navigation links appear. Click directly on the menu text to highlight it. This will activate the menu block and show editing options on the right-hand side. Now look to the top right corner and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Inside the sidebar that opened, switch to the Styles tab. This is where you'll find all your customization options for color, spacing, and most importantly, typography. Scroll down a bit and click on typography. Here, you can change the font size of your menu. You'll see preset options like small, medium, large, and extra large. Try switching between them to preview how each size looks in real time. This is perfect if you just want a quick adjustment without worrying about exact numbers. But if you want precise control, you can set a custom font size too. Under the typography settings, you'll find an input box where you can type in your preferred pixel size. For example, 18 pixels, 22 pixels, or even 30 pixels depending on your design. You can also use the slider to scroll up or down and visually adjust the size until it looks just right. Once you're happy with the result, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. And that's it. Your menu font size is now updated and live on your website. And there you have it. That's how you change the menu font size in WordPress, step by step, using the site editor. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future WordPress tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.